Ngilike ngizoyiqina
Ala dikhuluma on my side ne. Ulutshela into eyi-1 mfethu. Khona my sister lapha ku TikTok like mangivaya like ngibheka ama videos. Uthi lo my sister utshela amajita sengathi ngathola i-out support Kaizer Chiefs so that noma ngachitha ngidliwe izobekezela. But
Audio Jungle.
Sisaba bakhalela bani?
Amazulu. Kodwa ukuthi ubhena ngazi bamxoshela lapha eMazulu. Lazi you something good njengamazulu. Yeah. Sithi isondela kancane.
Okay.
Ngiqali.
Kanti uqalile. Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele and welcome to i-podcast kaSanele. Njengamanje nginama guest abaluleke kakhulu bafethu noKhila uyiKhosi then bese ngiba noKG. Bafethu siyanamukela kwi-podcast yethu. Kuhamba kanjani?
Great ngijama ngiyajabula ukuthi ngoKhila weKhosi guys nibe khona la podcast yakho igama le-English nalezi
Podcast. Yeah.
Afternoon, Bafetu. This is KG all the way from Pretoria. I belong to Atteridgeville branch, Bafetu. Thank you for watching and thank you for having me, my brother.
Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu ukuthi nifike lana noma sithe ukuthi kuba nenqinamba kancane nanokuthi nje nisithembe siyabonga bafethu njengamanje kudlala ngo5 nje khona namhlanje kudlala iKaizer namaZulu. So isithini isikole ngibona kanjani nje nishele nje line up ukuthi nenzani lapha
Njengamali.
Yeah, you know, we are going through some patches, a rough time at Chiefs because we've got 2 players that are actually on red cards, that is Umsimango and Odove. And then we just received the news this morning that Solomons and Rifrost are also out injured. So we're rough. And then also Peterson, who has a red card from the bench, but obviously hasn't been playing. You know? But for me, my prediction for Ilana, I'd say we'll have Uditlokwe and Unjabulo Ngobo also. 4 and 5 center backs, and then on the left then we'll have Mashiane, and then we'll also have maybe Kuniga on the right back, and then obviously we'll play with 3 midfielders. It's a 4-4-3 formation. In the midfield, I think we'll then have Umteto. There's Mtetwa, there's Sitebe, and there's the young boy Shabalala, and then we'll continue with this guy, our striker Chivaviro, and then we'll also have Udupri and Umodi. Umodi, yeah. I don't know what Ukila, what is your prediction? Because you are speaking about Umodi, man.
I know. When down to Usain, but lapha ku-center lapha bengifuna at least badlalise le ntwana encane usamkelo uzwana yabo bathale ngaye mhlambe umthetho kancane yabo ebenchini yabo ngafaka usamkelo zwana
okay fair
namuhla bengicanga ukubanikeza uthumele ukhune
kwenzakalani ngokhune vele yini manje akaphelile suspension kwenzakala
asephelile kuyile
suspension iphelile
ukike Doli wenze ngizongathi ukuthi ufuna ipay car salary pay cut
akana double up yena to be honest kumele accept like konke abazomofferisha kona lapha na Kaizer Chiefs kumele accept and then mongathatha ubheka kulama game lawa esiwadlalile this season singawabala ama game la abe
aphamise khona
isandla bo so yeah kumele nje
nanokuthi izinto zikho right kwi Chiefs aka understand isimo he's not helping bringing trophies nayo
yabona so enye into yabona makafunde futhi kule ndizana kama bhiliyani
kama
so mele understand naye and neminyaka ehambile so uma basakoffer something sebenzisa
but lento yakhama I think akavala ngokhama nje waye bengamthathanga but kwiPSL yonke akavala ukuthi ngoba ubambele Chiefs ngathi okay
yeah, maybe he was tired of Chiefs, man.
Yeah, but engicabanga to be honest Bijam ikanje like mongabe uyiplayer or umuntu like kumele ubazi abantu and then ukhone ukurespect like iattitude umuntu like ama company or ama team awamfuna umuntu ona attitude ngathi uyawetshelayo kuba like bazawuthi ngiyamthatha nami uzofika ngitshele lokho and then mawungathatha ubheka ama team amaningi awabhatali njenge Kaizer Chiefs so uma urefuse ioffer onikwe Kaizer Chiefs kuba nzima ukuthi omunye approach ngoba mhlamba ngeke azafford
vele true yeah
umthetho kozala ngumthetho kwakune hype umthetho umthetho lesi ox but ox nje umbona ngama back pass kwenzakalani lapha umthetho akalivanga up to standards nje selokhu for me kwenzakalani noma kusamele adjust but isikhathi ngibona ukuthi isikhathi sekumele ngabo adjustile na team.
Yeah, Mteto came highly rated, man.
Yeah,
he came very highly rated. But I think sometimes it's not about a player. Sometimes it's about environment, the tactics of the coach, the way that the both the coaches are different. Probably Mteto is still adjusting to the system. Your Chiefs. At Stelis, he was a commander. You know, he was dictating things in the middle of the park. He was your quality CDM, and he used to have a lot of freedom. So unfortunately, it's not only Mteto this season. The team hasn't been doing well in general. Let's be honest. The team hasn't been doing well. So it also has to do with the morale of the team. You know, when you build a team that is supposed to have the character to win the games, a team that can grind results. But lately, you know, we are on and off, win, lose, draw. Especially this season, it was very difficult. So we'll just give him another chance. Let's see him in the new season. We cannot be hard on him because we also have the likes of Castillo. Castillo came highly rated, very good player at the beginning of the season. Then after the departure of Ntseki, then Castillo dropped. And he's not a bad player. His form dropped. I don't know what really happened, but it dropped, and I believe there's still a lot from him to offer. The same with Mteto. Ox.
Chiefs
expectation is very high.
Kaizer Chiefs is not easy, guys. Umthetho bengadlala kule team abuya kuyo yena ufika kithi nimbona ngathi uyaflopa no mina ngicabanga ukuthi uflopile kumele adjust and kudlalela Kaizer Chiefs kufana nokuthi like umuntu osebenza emandiyeni yabo emandiyeni angeke kufane nomuntu osebenza like office or a 5-star hotel ezinjalo like angeke kufane yabo so mangabe usuke emandiyeni ujwayele ukubala ama 50 rand then uyahamba uyaboma Shoprite kumele ubale maybe uboma million la so kunzima ukujust yabo noma usufundile but kumele ubuye yabo
because so njengamanje siselela ama games awu 3 ledlala namhlanje ngo 5:30 sezamaZulu then bese kuba iPolokwane, then bese kuba iCape Town Stars. So out of 3 ni expect some points amangakhi nje because right now is number 9.
Grand bijama sima-hungry lion isilambile mfethu usilambile yabona kukhona ama-need nama-1 yabo so this kule stage esikuzo as i-Kaizer Chiefs si-need like siyawadinga lama-point we need them like ama-need into angeke uzophila ngaphandle kwayo so nathi siyawadinga ukuze sibe lapha ku-top 8 so wonke lama-game kuyangathi like ngoba ama-stadium asiyeli ukuyoluza siyela ukuyowina sifuna iwini 9 point yonke iphelele ukuze nathi soba safe ukuthi sihlala ku-top 8 noma siku-number 9 manje kumele sikhuphuke
namhlanje i-score prediction ubona kanjani against amazulu edlala ekhaya?
Mina as ukhila wekhosi namuhla ngizowina 2-1 azokora wona amazulu but ngiyawina ngantoni 3 point ngekhaya.
KG?
Yeah, I mean, score prediction 1-0.
1-0.
Yeah, it's gonna be a very tight game.
Mawukuthi ukhona uyangena ushaya clean sheets ngokakho.
Ngeke adlale banda.
Ngeke adlale.
Yeah, sazodlala uvuma.
Uvuma naye kodwa.
Sazodlala.
Grand guys, like uvuma grand like kulapho nalapho kumele alungise khona but save esikhathini esiningi so singathi like mase siba senkingeni bese samplaya ngoba like angeke uvuma asebenza i-1 lapha e-teamini so kumele basebenze as a team so into ekhona singamblame uvuma singablame ama-player ekathini support ngoba like mase sicala as ama-supporter manje sesiphosa izinto e-stadium ibehavior engafuneki if uyi-supporter njalo uhlala u-stadium uyayithanda i-team and under branch awungamelanga uphosa izinto ngoba ubanikeza uvalo ukuthi once bakhonelwa sekwazi ukuba khona abantu abaphonsayo so please noma ngenzakalani ningaphonsi izinto e-stadium.
Yeah.
So manje bathi ikhosi alipheli moya. Why bafethu ningathi ayiyeka manje ake check ukuthi yipi team engcono esingayisupport ngoba isizini ayikho right.
Bitch.
Ngilike ngizayiqina nini.
Azabikhuluma on my side ne. Ulutshela into eyiwani bitch. Khona my sister lapha yana ku TikTok like mangivaya like ngibheka ama videos. Uthi lo my sister utshela amajita sengathi ngathola i-out support iKaizer Chiefs so that noma ngachita ngidliwe izobekezela but uyakhohlwa lo my sister wena injabu uthi iKaizer Chiefs i-team mina mangaba nomfazi odliwa njengeKaizer Chiefs ngingamlahla yabo angeke ngihlalele like but because iKaizer Chiefs ikanje guys inkinga abantu aba-understand iKaizer Chiefs since idliwa ne kudliwa iKaizer Chiefs ama-player ayachangwa akusi le 10 years le abayibalayo ukuthi no true ongathatha ukubheka mhlawumbe ungathola ukuthi ukhune kuphela bekakhona kule 10 years uyabona kule squad esikhona so uma asho njalo lo my sister wrong makathi makadliwa njengeKaizer Chiefs
izinto ebekezelayo
no yeah
support Chiefs
hayi ukuthi support
Kithi ufuna nje into ebekezelayo ngiyazazi naye ukuthi ayikho
yabona manje inkinga mfethu KG awusho wena ungenza njani
team angeke sishiye vele Chiefs we can't leave Chiefs so because we've been friends we are Amakhosi for life. It's a lifetime union with the club and they will follow it all the way until the glory days are back. We are not the only team that is actually going through a rough patch. Even the likes of Man United once were up there, you understand? Big team, top quality. But they are now found one team. Man City, the likes of Man City and Liverpool are up there. With Chiefs also is the same. Sundowns are up there. They are dominant. They have a very good side. We just need to make sure that we soldier on. We soldier on until things change. But they need to change very fast.
Okay. I need to solve for. Ngiyabona manje abantu abaningi ubona kuma social media abashisa iy'kipa
The
ze-Kaizer
Chiefs.
Chiefs and I believe ukuthi labo bantu labo abashisa iy'kipa ze-Kaizer Chiefs guys lebo abazithenga ama-rubber stars ikipa original uyoshisa
2001.5
abantu like ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu abazoyeka i-Kaizer Chiefs manje bangayisupport ngokuthi yadliwe. I wish ukuthi amakhukhunati labantu abangasebenzisa ama-public toilet yabo like laba benza i-mistake kuma-public toilet ngoba like uma uhamba ku-public toilet obvious kungena noma ubani yabo. So uma uthola i-toilet lingekho right lingekho esimeni esi-right ungaphumi flasha then uqede umsebenzi wakho. Once waphuma wathi usayofuna i-toilet engcono uzothola leyo toilet liwese than leli ongene kule ecaleni. Then uma uthi uyabuya back thola ukuthi kukhona umuntu ongenile oyibonile ukuthi no lento ngayiflash ihambe bese mina ngiyisebenzisa. So if we are Kaizer Chiefs supporters guys, i-Kaizer alipheli moya. I know ukuthi inyembezi ziphelile kusela umoya kuphela.
Because aliphela umoya bafethu, because aliphela umoya. Let's keep going. Eventually something will change. I know it's almost 10 years. People are saying it's 10 years. It's almost 10 years. I'm not saying it's 10 because that is not true. The last time actually we won a trophy was back in 2015. That was the last time we won a league. So now it's 2024. Yes. So next year it will be 10 years bafethu.
No, mina ngisacela ukubuza la Machidi ukuthi uthanduleni for Kaizer Chiefs laqala nini? Because for example khona abantu abangalazi ibhola bayibuka ibhola but because of abazali was the Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates naye ubedana kakhulu wathi I'm Kaizer Chiefs and the Pirates. So Nina, when did you develop your time? It's okay no matter what.
Esethi la model value mina ubaba wami ngendaba zebhola akazazi umama wami ngendaba zebhola akazazi. So ebholweni like ekhaya umuntu beyasupport ubhuti wami omdala support iPirates then olandelayo support iKaizer Chiefs. So into eyenzeka lapha yana bafethu like abantu mangibatshela like mina igazi lami ngigolden black guys akekho umuntu ongikhombe ngesibhamu wathanda usupport iKaizer Chiefs uthando like bezidlala amandwandwane mangibatshela abantu bacawa ukuthi ikhanda le alithathi kahle manje uyabona masisidlala amandwandwane eColiad yazi iColiad abathengisa khona amaladi then sagijimisana masigijimisana ngawa then mangiwile ngahuzuka then igazi lami beligcwele nedafu lapha amaladi yabo. Then mangikole dafuna emaladi mangivuka lapha ngenze ngithi ngilenduzanile ngilimele yabo. Then ngihuzukile asibuza ukuthi zikhiphani la ngifuna ukhala but ngathi no ngikhosi like ikhosi alipheli moya ngoba ngiyeza ubhuti wami akasho wathi ikhosi alipheli moya love and peace ngaphinde ngayiqinisa wathi hayi mina ngiyindoda mina angenzeke kwenzeke lokho mina ngiKaizer Chiefs. Then ngakhula like ngisupport iKaizer Chiefs like njengoba khula then ngidecide ukuthi no man ake ngihambe nge-stadium nami ngiyoba supporter ngoba like abantu aba-understand umsebenzi we-supporter ngoba nginokuzwa like kuma-comment wami bayakutshela ukuthi ukiller akalazi ibhola ukwabo lokho but into engizokutshela yona mangabe uyosupporter guys ukufika lapha e-stadium ucule ubanikeza umdlandla ukuthi badlale kahle awuyi lapho uyobheka ukuthi badlala kanjani lokho ozokubonile ubonile but lokho ozaba ungakubonanga so uma kiba abantu ukuthi bathini
Trustman.
So iKaizer Chiefs mina akekho umuntu wangikhomba ngesibhamu guys ngiyayithanda and mina ngishadile nayo angeze ngiyekele but merit of
in community of property.
Good.
Yeah, now on my side, I've supported this team for a very long time now. I was very young when I supported this team. I fell in love with the way the team was playing. I know many people are saying that most Kaizer Chiefs supporters started supporting this team because of abazali, our parents, and on my side, my uncle was actually he still is. He's a very, 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 very big supporter of Kaizer Chiefs, and then I used to travel a lot to FMB with him, but it's not only because he was supporting Chiefs, because we all have choices, you understand. So Chiefs was playing some very good football. They were winning trophies. We knew they were a team with character. Even if they were 2-0 down, they always managed to come back because they had a championship mentality at the time, and that's when actually I fell in love with the club. And yeah, I think I was probably 8, 9, somewhere there, because myself also I used to play football, and I used to look up to former players like Abu Jabu Pule when it was still Jabu Pule. Yeah, and then you still have you still had players like Abu Stanton Stiga Fredericks, Tiki Tabu Tiki Moki, Jabulani Mendu. Yeah, there was Brian Baloyi also. Spider-Man, you understand? So we come a long way with this team. We come a very long way, and I don't think even if they don't win anything in the near future, we'll leave this team. We are not going anywhere. We'll stick around until we see changes. Yeah.
This is not a good time to go to Shige. This is where they need something.
Yeah, they need us to push them so that they can keep going, because Kaizer Chiefs are a very big institution and the most talked football club in the country. Whether they don't win or they win, people will always talk about Kaizer Chiefs.
Brand.
Yeah, the brand is huge. It's an institution.
Any show like Duma supporters where Kaizer Chiefs, ne? And then you show ukuthi yabona njengoba bengisho le story salo sesathi Chiefs idliwa kakhulu. Guys, kufana nokuthi if uthathe inkosikazi ne uthole le nkosikazi inenkinga zasendlini, like inenkinga ukuthi amadlozi urayini, yabona inkinga nje general inkinga zakhe. Guys, akusho ukuthi lo mfazi kumele umlahle, hamba naye, either uyothandaza naye or uyenyangeni naye or uyakuphi umsize ukuze aphume kuleyo nkinga. The only thing ongayekela umfazi ukuthi lentuza lakuchithele like ahambe namanye amadoda, but ngokuthi unenkinga zasendlini like kumele umsupporte, uhambe naye enyangeni, mangabe uyenyangeni, mangabe uyabo prophet naye, uma uye esontweni uhambe naye umseke. The time azosuka kulezo inkinga, I promise you umshado wakho uzoba muhle, enjoy, ube right. And mangabe uqale ngenjabulo then kuba nomkhungu nakhona, ungamyekeli umsupport. Thina ama supporter of Kaizer Chiefs, like Kaizer Chiefs idali win, ayikho team lana ku PSL namacup njengathi, yabo. So amacup ethu maningi kabi, so manje wayemele seke Kaizer Chiefs
even in Africa. I think it's number 2 after Al Ahly.
Yeah,
in terms of success.
Yes.
so why ngeke.
So bafethu Red Bull bafethu sponsorisha thina, so #Red Bull besasikhohliwe with this player la. So bafethu ngaphuza Red Bull mawuthi nankinga Red Bull, sorry nje ngoniphazamisa.
No worries. Yeah.
Then Killer nakho. Nansi contract uyi-head coach ke manje, let's say uyi-chairman i-Chiefs kusasa, yini ongayishintsha for the next season? Ngiyeza nakuthi
since senginama wings of flying give me wings. Guys, I can fly, but I want to say about head coach. As no Killer, ne? Into engayitshintsha ku Kaizer Chiefs is not that much. Ngoba Kaizer Chiefs good, and negama lakhona neslogan sakhona phela kweteam la eSouth Africa neslogan esimnandi, Kaizer Chiefs, the love and peace. Bafana bokuthula noxolo, yabona akufana nalabo abanye abagebhula umhlaba kamasipala sazi abanye bakhomba 7 nasazi ukuthi baboshwa nini sebabola 7. Into engabakhona lapha nampinjam, to be honest, ukuthi uKiller angeke azathatha umntana wakhe like bonke abafake kulentozana ku committee or abafake ezikhundleni lapha yana, ne? Ngoba like singabantu like ngaba nabantwana abawu5, but angeke zifane ama career wabo, yabo. Then mangibathatha ngibafake eteamini, omunye akanayo le ukuthi akaphiwe ukuthi angayenza leyo nto. So mina uKaizer Chiefs into engibonayo like if maybe bangaminasa ifamily kancane yabo bakhiphe bafaka abantu bangaphandle ozozazi ukuthi lapha yana usemsebenzini uyabona ke akusise ekhaya yabo ngoba mongayenza ishop yamakota then uthatha umntana wakho ibeke lapha akanandaba even umngane wakhe ngafika amnikeze ikota but lo semsebenzini uzokhona ukuthi ufuna ukuhola so into engayichange kakhulu mina ilokuthi kungabi
family business
lapha yabo yena umntwana ngamchuza ngambona the way ane talent engakhona ukuthi lo angakhona ucontroller la but lo ugood la uyabo nikeze chance ukuthi avaya kuleyo ndawo
and futhi enye sorry nje ukungena emlonyeni and futhi enye I think umqondo right lo because nina nizingane ifaleni leli so let's hire umuntu ozokunakekela ifelini so that sizokwazi ihleli khona because manje ukuthi niyayibambela nini and anikwazi ukuyibambela lizogcina lifa ifaleni so asiqashe umuntu let's outsource like umuntu ozoninakekela enigadele lenizokwazi ukuthi legacy khona KG.
Yeah, for my side, football has evolved. Things have changed. You have got coaching team. They bring their own assistant coaches, goalkeeper coaches, conditioning coaches. You understand? So for me, I think we need to catch up. We need to catch up. Bring somebody who will be able to be a manager. To manage the entire team, somebody who will have his own budget and maybe make recommendations or regarding the players that he wants to buy. You understand? So that when he fails, you are able to he will be able to account. You understand? So football has changed, Bafetu. Let's be honest. We are not in the olden days where a coach would need to come to the team and then the football manager or somebody on top buys players for them. Allow them to recommend their own players, give them a budget, let them bring their own technical team. Even the likes of Pitso Musimani now, they travel with their own technical teams. That is evolution of football. This is the modern day way of doing things. So the only thing that I need right now, and I believe will make an impact, is if we get a coach who will be able to bring his own team. You know, we had Nabi. We almost had Nabi. He also wanted to bring his own technical team, which I don't think was a problem for the team, because I believe he would have managed actually to change a lot.
Because Chiefs very khona imali, not ukuthi ayikho imali, can afford it.
Surely, definitely.
Chiefs isawathengisa bayawadla beceda badle thina but Chiefs ikhona imali merchandise yethu ayi yinhle kakhulu. Hi guys, sisayisupport nje Kaizer Chiefs ngazo zonke indlela.
Okay, nakho ke let's say Chiefs yangena ku top 8. Mawukuthi ba number 8. That means izobhekana neSundowns phela kwi MTN 8. Don't choose. But into ethusayo ne. I mean noma ngaba ku number 8. As long khona ku top 8. Lokho akuthusi ukuthi ngibe ku number 8 ngobhekana neSundowns. Into ethusayo level yabo ref. Yethu la eMzansi. Hlezi ukhala ngo ref.
Ayingakhala ngabo ref. I think ukuthi mhlambe uma bangabathatha babayise phesheya bofunda kancane imithetho bese bayabuya sabathanda bona but hayi basibulala uyabona
wathi bekwesinto
abantu aba-understand yabona mangithi
ayichaze
abantu aba-understand mina mangithi abo-rebel bala eMzansi baneduzane bahlakaniphile okwesintu. Mangithi abo-rebel bala eMzansi bahlakaniphile okwesintu. Iy'kole ey'ningi like thina lezi abelungu khathi sithatha abantwana bethu sibayise khona, but iy'kolo zakudala like abantu bebaya nje ey'kolweni emalokishini abanganandaba nebhola, like ibhola ladlala yaphela isizini neyivalele, then makubuya isizini yesoccer futhi nabuyela. So bengasabantu ababhizi ngazo lezo zinto. So mabakhoje basebenzisa le ngqondo le yangale phela like eKazi Ballet, like maybe asithi udlala abopopo laphayana or udlala iletuzane abo-Juventus yonke le nyaya nje like unokubona ukuthi no khona abantu like abathenga abo-rev yabo khona lo mjida lo bebathi upopo bebamazi kahle ukuthi hayi bathi ngesigoda kaZibuyanga yabona bondomeni like izinto ezinjalo so uma like ukhula ne ujwayele like ukuthengwa noma sohamba uya phambili ukuzukeke ngoba bathi isichele siyisincono so thina as abantu abamnyama like siya hayi kahle ngizawuthini abantu abamnyama like uma benza something noma sebazibona ukuthi baphezulu khona imali engconywana abayitholayo abasafuna ukuyekela bayaqhubeka ngawo then benza ama mistake so ukuhlakanipha kwesintu lo ngoba into ongayifundelanga into nje ophiwe yona uNkulunkulu uthi hamba lapha and inobungozi
ngoba
yes inobungozi ku100% ngisasho namanje ile 70% ubona izinto ezingekho but 30% izinto ezikhona then lo ohlakaniphe okwesilungu like ufundele like asithi uthatha ubheka ama-athlete manje abantu abagijimayo or abantu yabona ey'kolweni zaselokishini phelile isizini ama-athlete bahleli abantwana yabo abagijima but zasesilungwini babhizi manje kunama-competition kunama-league bayagijima you understand so nabo-referee laba abahlakaniphe okwesilungu bakhula nabo basasebancane bakhojane babodwa like barefe baye phambili so umuntu onjalo kurare ukuthi umthole enza ama-mistake ku-100% 90% or 95% ubona izinto ezi-right then the 10% or 5% ubona izinto ezi-wrong ngoba umuntu naye unama-mistake wena uthini abo-referee ngikuvalele khona mngani wami
yeah brother
ngiyafuna ukhala namuhla referee ozorefa namuhla please ungangikhalisi hayi sengikhathele
I believed by now, I had hoped that by now these problems of referees would be sorted. You know, our league is one of the most competitive leagues in Africa. We are competing with the likes of Al Ahly, in Egypt, the Moroccan league, they call it Botola. Pro League, So what we see now, it's shameful. It's shameful. Poor officiating all round, from the beginning of the season to the end of the season, till the end. You understand? So it's about time we bring VAR. It's about time because they have it there in North Africa. They use it because things are becoming bad and it's downgrading our league because, you know, these are people's lives and jobs. Some of the
careers.
It's careers. You understand? It's people's careers, and I think the league must do the right thing now and implement VAR so that we can be able to sort out this mess that is happening right now. Because as much as Safa says they are giving training to these referees, but we see mistakes week in and week out, and you know there are those decisions whereby I cannot fault the referees because it's fine margins, tight calls whereby you only get a chance as a referee or an assistant coach to see that thing. If you see it once, you might not be able to make the right call. But if you see it on VAR, then you'll be able to make a better judgment on your decision. I'll make an example with last night's tackle. Mabasa.
That was a red card.
Yeah, that was a red card. He had to go. And he didn't even get a yellow card. But on review, what I can assure you is that he was gonna walk. He was gonna go. So I don't know if maybe he's lucky. Maybe he's lucky
And
because
this is-
he's also chasing. He's also chasing that accolade.
ngiyabona mbijama ya uqinisile but ya I'm scared ngalevi ngoba abantu abazosebenza lapho is the same like these referees. So bazothengwa balapho uzozoba different stage ilahlekile or ilahleka immediately
Or if ayisebenzi.
la South Africa hasenzima mpinda
Do you think bathenga already? Because izolo ayingibonile ukuthi that was a red card.
That was a red.
But
That was a
azange
red.
akhiphe ngisho ikhadi nje liye.
Yes, yes.
Nale incident before uphendule nale incident le
That was
Lunga
Yeah.
wathola iyelo then washaya enye ifoul kwathi kusenjalo uRolando
Keep.
bathi ukopele ku ankelwa kuJomo so but ifundwa ngoba phambili but guys no ilentuzana abo referee balana eSouth Africa abasiphula kakhulu moral abasiphula kakhulu so become ukuthi like angazi njengoba isizini yaphela manje
Yeah, on
ababayise maybe kuma 3 weeks nyana
Training.
training bese babuya ba right bahluzekile la ngcono ngoba ayikahle kahle ayibasibulala unless maybe into yenza kanje abo referee abaholi yabo ngoba once mhlambe angisho ukuthi abaholi mhlambe imali abayiholayo incane or abahola ezi ukujaja
Part-time.
so lokho kuzozala kube nenkinga eziningi so bengicela ukuthi nayo isafa mangabe isebenzisa lo mqondo bake maybe kube khona ama referee permanent ukuthi vela ama game njengoba nje lezojaja osibani le kanje bachintshane kanjalo yabo nabo bahlale basemsebenzini bakhona uhola ngoba once wahola imali encane ubugebengu buba khona yeah
nanokuthi okay bafethu because kumele sibuke ibhola bafethu ngizocela nishiya lokho nje ama contact details enu lana so that abantu abayibukelayo bezokwazi ukunifollow cela uqala ngawe KG.
Yeah, KG. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Facebook, and I'm also on Instagram. On TikTok, I'm KGGP, and then on Facebook, I've got a profile and also a page. My profile is Katlego KG Kekana with a verified badge. So that's the only one that I have, and then the page it's a KGGP Amakusi content. Thank you, Bafetu. Thank you for watching. Love and peace.
Okay bafethu sizowa display ama pages la abo njengoba sikhuluma nje khona uzobona ukuthi iyiphi page because I'm sure baningi okG baningi okhill so sizo display the rights okumele ufollow
Yeah.
then
yeah mina bafethu anginawo ama-page amaningi but ngikhona ku-TikTok ukhila wekhosi ukhila wekhosi not lo khila lo ubulala yabo ukhila lo KILLA khila wekhosi then ku-Facebook kubhalwe uma ungasesha ngokhila wekhosi nakhona mthola but emini libhalwe ukuthi like iThivane Facebook then ngine-page futhi laphana ku-Facebook ebhalwe ukuthi ngitholakala lapho ku-Instagram nakhona ngiyatholakala ukhila wekhosi njengoba nazi ukuthi Instagram awubhali nje igama elihlukene lapha yazi ukuthi uzofaka lapha phansi la bonethu zale
underscore
yabo underscore
Yeah.
Udefinitely lapho.
yabo kuze kuzomesha lapho ukuthi khila wekhosi ungakhona ukubhala ku underscore
bafethu sizofaka nje page izodlala nje la nilibone
Yeah.
ubone ukuthi imuphi ukhila wekhosi mina bafethu ngicela ngifollow on Instagram @SA_ lo dash lo lapha kukhila bese Mlambo yonke indawo nje @SA_ Mlambo TikTok Instagram YouTube Facebook yonke into nje igama elilodwa so job indawo so bafethu seseyivala because siyashaya isikhathi ukuthi sambe sobuka ibhola ngicela nje ukugcina umbuzo yini ofuna ukuyibona next year kwi-Chiefs ufuna ukubonani nje
Before sizoya ukuthi ngifuna ukubonana mina ngikhuluma kakhulu maybe abanye bebacabanga ukuthi ngizoba umfundisi but I supporter the Chiefs and the guys ningathathi kabi Esperanza was my one night stand guys ngasokubuza ukuthi manje wasafave Esperanza ngifave umedlala neSundowns yeah so and then bafo futhi ngithanda ukunibonga ukuthi nisibize size lana because ukuthi nasibona nathi ukuthi singabantu like isadingeka ukuthi sibe khona akusipapa nebisi ukuthi usuke eMbalenhle eMpumalanga uze la eDurban sithola abantu abanjengathi abanye basuke eGauteng bathola abantu abanjengani so we appreciate for that ukuthi nibe khona nathi nisibone ukuthi naba abokhila bayaphila abozibani bayani bayaphila next time ngopapa wawa abubo bazaba bakhona la guys siphakanyiswa yini akekho umuntu ozosiphakamisa and then nathi njengoba siphakama nothi ukuthi sokhohlwa ngani singabantu ngenxa yabantu singabantu ngabantu so guys noma ubani ophakamayo ngicela ukuthi angakhohlwa lapho uyakhona ngoba kusasa uzodinga ukuthi abe khona into engifunayo nje uKaizer Chiefs njengoba sengizoya egamini for next day amawini nathi siphakamise i-trophy njengabanye abantwana into nje esifunayo even ingane encane uma ungayibuza izokutshela ukuthi no sifuna iwin sengikhathele ukuthi ngibuzwe ingane ukuthi baba namuhla futhi udliwe futhi yo ngikhathele I'm tired so into engifuna iwin nje kuphela siphakamisa amakhaphi sibuyele sibe le course le silazi
asabonga kakhulu KG
Yeah, break the case, win something. Even if it's one trophy for me, I'd be very happy. Let's sign quality players, the right players with the right mindset, the players that will be able to handle the pressure at Chiefs. Get a qualified coach with a very good track record. That's all I'm asking for. I won't say we can win the league, but let's win something because you know the league is a process. You play 30 games to win the league, and then you need consistency. So we need to be consistent if we want to challenge Mamelodi Sundowns for that title. Yeah, that's all I'm asking for: a trophy, quality coach, quality players with the right mindset, players that will be able to handle the pressure that comes with playing for this big club.
Yeah, bangagijimisa imali bangagidlalela iChiefs ukuthi bayithande like yeah right now.
Yeah, bafethu mafenzi Chiefs bafethu acela nibekezele. This is a process ngeke vele nje kuyini nje this is a process but I think for next year izinto zizoba ngcono yabo.
Guys ufuna ukutshela into eyiwani guys hayi man ngiyayikhona guys asiholi thina Kaizer Chiefs sesikhathele lento ukuthi KG papa wawa khila wekhosi niyabona guys sifuna ukuthi sakhe lento sizwa inhliziyo zethu zibekhulu masibona yethu besiyaphuma guys asiholi guys
asithi castete bafethu akuna castete naturally
le mali enithi sayiceda for abantwana nana ngeke nicede but othanda into uyayiphumela kanjani guys nami kusasa mhlawumbe ngizocela i-donation kina mara ngisala iChiefs ngiyisupporta ngize kube angazi ukuthi ngiyacabanga nebhokisi lami mhlazana bathi ngambile emhlabeni
zobe nokhosi
mase kuzoshada i-white wedding akathemba nje ngizothola ku-golden black uma uyi-pirate or iSundowns ungaphi but mina ngizokumemba golden black love and peace
abafethu siyabonga
love and peace bafethu
cela ni support please like share and follow for more.
Ngifuna ukusho ukuthi guys njengoba sila eDurban mina ngikhuluma kakhulu guys
no yonke efunakala
mina njengoba sila eDurban guys ngiyacela labo bazodrive bayidini guys abona Red Bull baba give us wings right and so guys ngicela nithenga ama Red Bull and ngene garage ngithole Red Bull ukuze ningalali endleleni asihambeni guys iRed Bull mfethu ngiyantshela angeke uzulale noma ungadriver 10,000 kilometers lento leyasebenza
baba wings baba
give us wings safaya baba yabona manje inomfutho but isikhathi guys kumele ngokubukela nihloniphe respect Red Bull guys ihloliwe guys yayihlolwa ukuthi hayi kanjena le guys qhubekani siyabonga
kakhulu
dango